Good morning, America, and world, and internet, and everybody else that is trapped in between. Is there an in-between the internet and the world? I guess it's the person, huh? That uses the internet. Oh, thinking with Mr. Keene this morning. You know what? I was just looking for Chloe, because I was gonna, make her the star as usual. But, I don't think she's too happy with us right now, because we just gave her medicine, and held her down, and held her mouth open, and gave her medicine. So I think she's probably hiding. She's kind of hiding. She's right here. Are you mad at us? Yeah, you're mad. You mad. You mad. Hairy kitty. What, did you want me to keep petting you? What? I think Kim is coming. I think. Let's see if we can scare her. Ah! Damn it. Did not work out as I planned.
Oh, were you filming?
Yeah. She wasn't scared. You know why?
Why?
Cause you never scared. I ain't never scared, right?
Right.
Cause you a gangster, true homie. Something like that.
Yeah. Something like that.
Holy crap balls. Why is it focusing on the window? Anyways, you can't really see anything out there right now anyway. It is raining so freaking hard. Look at the water coming off the side of the building here. That is nuts. It's like mist. It's hitting the building so hard. Holy moly. This is nuts. And I feel really dangerous standing this close to the window. Oh, blurry. Holy crap. This is nuts. Listen, you can hear the rain hitting our door. Oh crap. The inside of the door is wet right here. Oh, goodbye, power. Just kidding, we still have power. I swear to God.
Except we're gonna miss part of it. We'll see when they get
Up, wait for it.
We can always go to my parents' house.
I don't really want to drive in.
We've got a really big TV.
And I really work tomorrow morning. Really. Oh, let's see. I guess I can go ahead and turn this off now.
Well, at least I can still read.
Yay. Welcome to the light show. It is just non-stop. Whoa, that was straight up and down. I missed it. Man, it's just like constant. Oh, there was a good one. I just can't believe how it's like just all over. Just crazy. That was bright. Oh man. Ah, another good one and I missed it. I don't think you guys can see this on the camera. Maybe on a bigger screen you can, but you can see like the top of a cloud over there with the light shining on it just on the very top. That's really cool. It's actually kind of wild. A lot of this lightning is just going in the sky, like sky lightning, cloud to cloud. See if I can get one. Do it again. Oh, that was a big one. I missed. What I wouldn't give for a wide angle lens. Or a wider. This is very wide for a compact. Now, mind you, there's still dark clouds all around. This is all rain, all around. But there's like a hole over there where you can see like out to the light, kind of, and these white clouds. It's really pretty cool. And this really doesn't do it justice through the camera, at least on here. That's really awesome. Let me try and zoom out. Whoa, hello lightning. Yeah, there you go. That's cool. Appreciate nature. It's beautiful.